Nagtataka ka ba kung kanino mga kamay ito? Yep, that's me right there. For today's session, we have a special guest. Let's go!
I want you to meet my sister. Ay? Asa ka? Alam mo ba kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon?
Hindi.
For today's session, I'm going to hire you as my Google Map. Ang gagawin mo lang, you will help me to navigate all of my orders, pick up locations, delivery address.
Okay. I'm ready for it! Come on!
Pero syempre, may catch.
What's the catch?
Ang lahat ng ma-earn natin for the day ay mapapasayo.
Yeah!
How do you like it? Yes.
I love that. Let's go, mga ka-Rough Rider. Go!
Pero dahil kapatid kita, meron ka pang chance na ma-double yung earnings natin. All you have to do is, if you manage to do 10 deliveries within 4 hours, you will get a chance to double your earnings.
Wow. Your earnings will be mine. Oh, let's do this. Let's start with our first order. Oh, sorry, delivery.
We just received our first order. Here's the address.
Please, I need money.
Yung first order natin ay nasa Junction 10.
Wait lang guys, mahina ako sa direction. Guys, we're on the way to our first delivery. Let's go.
Tingnan natin kung mananavigate niya yung address na binigay ko sa kanya. Nakikita ko naman sa map na tama naman yung dinadaanan niya so far. Sa tingin mo, makakailang orders tayo today?
12, hindi lang 10. 12, hindi lang 10. Here, we have to cross.
Right?
Yes. Turning right. Let's go.
You have to slow down pag nasa bus stop tayo. Dead end to eh. Oh no! We have to turn. Pwede ka dito. Guys, mali yung napuntahan namin. Nasa dead end na kami.
Maglileft na tayo.
I have a proposal for you.
What?
Pwede kong ako yung mag-navigate, but every time you ask for direction, makakaltas ng $2 yung earnings natin.
No,
yung makukuha mo.
No, thank you. Kaya ko to.
We have to do this. Naghihintay na yung pick-up natin. Nirefuse niya yung proposal natin. Oh, ang bilis pa niya. Oh, I think this is it, guys. Junction 10. This is our first pick-up location. Nice.
Ang hirap pa ng navigation.
What? Actually, yung first location natin, we can get here in 5 minutes. Pero I think we spent about 10 to 15 minutes na. Oh, no! Ako na lang magpipick up. Thank you very much. 5724. This is it. So, kailangan ibigay ko sa kanya yung address. Bukit Panjang Plaza.
Bukit Panjang Plaza.
We just received another order. So, dalawa na yung order namin. Meron pa kaming isang order na ipipick up.
Okay.
We're going to Bukit Panjang Plaza. I think we can park over there. There's no parking here. Park tayo dun.
I'll wait for you.
Just wait for me here. Ako na lang yung magpipick up. I'll be back.
Bye. Pakibilis. Dahil may challenge to. Demanding.
Hello, collection. Thank you. Are you ready to send our orders?
Kicking.
May dalawang orders tayo.
6, 7, 8.
442. Let's go. Where are we going?
Guys, when it comes to collecting the food, ako na lang yung papasok sa shopping mall para madaling mag-navigate sa loob. Kung sasama pa siya, baka tumugal pa kami. Oh, no! We are on our way sa aming pinakaunang delivery address. Uy, careful. Always give way muna. We're turning left.
To the bridge. Is that a bridge?
May bridge sa harapan. Let's go. Oh. Right now we're here. Andun yung 442C. My proposal is still on, you know. Just ask me anytime kung saan yung way. $2 per questions.
442C. Right now, this is 443B. So when there's upslope, para hindi ka mahirapan, alam mong palitan yung gear? No? Right here, this way. It's right there, 442C. Kala ko di kami makakarating. Right here na lang. Andito na yung elevator. Diyan na lang tayo. So just wait for me here.
Pagod ako.
O, babalik ako. We just managed to deliver our first order. So let's go to our next.
Give me the address first.
50.
670250.
Let's go.
Guys, we just managed to deliver our first order. I think we have a chance to survive naman, but very slim to none. So normally, kapag normally pag nag-deliver ako, pwedeng mas mabilis pa kaysa doon.
Thank you. We'll take this ramp. Right here.
Bruh.
Maglalakad ka na lang ba? Or magbabay? So pumunta kami sa 250. This is 253. It's just 2 blocks away. Asan tayo? Oh, tama siya. 250. We found it. She found it. Dun sa may shelter, pwedeng pumasok dyan. Hi, delivery. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay ka pa ba? I think she'll be fine because she have a very healthy lifestyle. You go to gym once a week? How many days a week?
2 times a week.
2 times a week?
I also walk my dog. I have a dog. His name is Theo and I miss him. Okay guys, on the way na kami to our third delivery.
Tama naman yung way pero dun walang crossing. Kailangan ata mag-cross tayo sa traffic light. Kasi highway to. So we have to cross using that traffic light para makalipat dun sa kabila. Let's go. Bike lane dito, yan. Dyan. On the left. Nakita ko na yung location. Tama siya pero lumabas siya ng konti. Let's buy coffee.
Hindi na pala earning money challenge.
We're here to pick up our third order, pero bibili muna kami ng coffee. Anong gusto mo? Hot or cold?
Cold. Croissant.
Kapag cold, madadilute naman yung ice. Huwag mo nang i-less sugar.
Women.
And also one coffee pink. May mga terms sila dito na ginagamit pag nag-order ng coffee. I'm not sure what language they use, pero ganito yung pag-order ng coffee dito.
Lalo sa Pilipinas lang guys, pag mag-order ka ng coffee.
Parang yung nilalagay sa
RC
Cola. Thank you. Let's pick up our next order.
Pick up this one. Thank you. $677,899. Yung binibigay ko palang number sa kanya ay yung postal code. Kailangan lang ilagay yung mga numbers ng postal code at malalaman na kaagad kung nasa inyong address dito.
Tingnan natin kung masarap yung pagkakabrew ng coffee dun sa 103 Kangsa Road. Yung coffee dito, binubrew nila, tapos yung sugar niya ay dinalagyan ng either condensed milk or evaporated milk. So yung sa akin, mixture of evaporated milk, condensed milk, and water. So kailangan nakabalance talaga yan. So I think sa akin, medyo nasobrahan ng condensed milk. May magkaka-diabetes niyan tayo.
Sa akin naman, very light siya.
Women.
Very light yung coffee. Siguro, hintayin ko lang mag-dilute yung ice or matunaw yung ice para maging balance siya. Next order.
Saan tayo? Are we crossing or turning left? Diyan na lang? Dito? Green man, green light, let's go. Dito yung delivery address natin. Shopping mall siya, nasa level 2.
Ano bang gusto mong kainin?
Order at the counter. So what do you want? Can I have 2 waffles? What
Chocolate.
filling? 1 chocolate. Can I have peanut butter with strawberry?
So, one peanut butter and chocolate.
Yes.
Next pick up namin dun lang. So, pwede ko naman sabihin sa kanya. Baka dun pa ako idala. Dito may parking. Hello, pick up please. Thank you. I just picked up our order. Ready ka na? Let's go. Ito yung address. 121. Kaya mo na yan.
Let's go, guys.
So, where are we going? Diretso lang siya. So, I just checked our completed deliveries. We managed to do 3 na. Ito na yung pang-apat.
How many more hours?
So, nakaka-$17 na kami within 2 hours. Time check now is already 4. Yung session natin hanggang 5:45 siya. Kakayanin kaya namin yung 10 orders para ma-double yung earnings namin today. Yung earnings niya pala. Oh no! Sige, pwede. Pasok ka na lang dun kaagad. Lumabas siya ng daan. At sumunod naman ako. What? Hey! Oh, i-keep left ka. May bicycle na paparating. She's aware naman sa regulation natin na kailangan mag-stay yung bike sa bike lane.
Ay! 121. Wait lang, medyo nahihirapan ako. Nakarating na tayo ng block 121 for our 4th delivery.
We have a new order. We just received 2 pickups. It's the same address.
From?
Ito yung address. Block 143. 143 Tekwai Lane. Ayan. Let's go. Pang 6 orders na to. So, another 4 more orders. Oh, may boost. Oh, pwede dyan. Pero, tingin ka muna sa left, baka may paparating. Go!
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, sige. Safety first tayo. It's better than safe than I'm sorry. It's better to be late than safe. Ay, mali din. Pasok tayo dito. I have to go in by myself para mas madali yung paghahanap natin. Pick up 4750. Wait. Thank you very much. Thank you. Dalawa. Guys, parang bumabalik yung hope ko dito sa session na to. Time check. 4:21.
421. Give me the address, Paul.
0352.
680352.
Alright, let's go. Bike lane. You have to stay in the bike lane, guys. Why here?
Hello, I'm your navigator. You have to listen to
Oh, I'm sorry. So, go straight lang siya. Oh, go straight daw.
Diretso lang.
Pwede kaming pumasok dito. Dito. Uy. Kakasabi mo lang, di ba, doon tayo papunta? Ba't pumunta ka dyan? Oh my God! Ang galing talaga ng ate ko. Tingnan mo. Sabi niya sa akin, straight ahead, tapos nag-turn left siya. Di ba sabi mo straight, tapos ba't ka nag-turn left?
$2.
-$2. So this is it. I can park here.
Tea break.
Tea break ka muna dyan.
No.
Ay, wow. I have a good news.
What?
We just received another order.
How many?
Just one. So before natin i-deliver ito, kailangan muna natin mag-pick up ng bagong order. Nasa lot 1 siya. So if we manage to do all of these orders, pang 7 na yun. Another 3 orders para maka-10 tayo. Oh, let's go to lot 1, Chua Chu Kang.
Alisik.
Ba? Dito na.
Diretso lang. Okay, Kenga.
Dito? Dito ba?
Sige, diretso lang. So pwedeng ganon. May delivery ka, pero pag may pick up ka sa malapit na destination.
Pwede kang maka-receive ng order in between.
Ah. Okay.
So, can I pick this up? Thank you. Ito na yung new order natin. 88. Next delivery address. Let's go.
Sunshine Gardens. Oh.
Are we there yet?
Hi, you twin? Hello.
488C. I think nasa harapan lang siya. I'll go ahead. I-deliver ko lang to.
Don't forget to hydrate.
Kaya natin to. We just need another 3 orders. Let's deliver the next one. 688-193. I'll give you a chance para ma-hit natin yung goal natin ng 10 orders. Yung kabilang order ay nasa kabila lang.
Okay, let's go.
Ito yung next delivery natin. Dito lang. You need to wait here. Ako na lang yung papasok kasi kailangan pang mag-register pag condominium yung residence. I'll be back. Hello, here you go. Oh, thank you very much. Can I just take a photo, please? Alright, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, bye-bye.
Quick update lang. We just completed 7 orders. So we need another 3 more para maka-10 kami at para ma-double yung earnings ng ate ko. But
Nice.
time check tayo is already 5 plus and matatapos yung session natin hanggang 5:45 lang. I'm not sure if we still can do another 3 orders within this remaining time. So right now we are on our way to pick up our 8th order. Nasabi ko na sa kanya yung address. Let's keep following her.
Diretso lang. Diretso lang tayo.
Diretso lang tayo.
Here, have some water. Are you hungry? Not yet.
Eat local food later.
Anong normally na kinakain mo?
Kain ko, siyempre, chicken rice.
Chicken rice? I like that too. Oh, my sister is suggesting na
Deliver natin.
kung ano yung food na last na i-deliver namin, yun yung kakainin natin. Yun ba yun? Sige ba? I like that.
100 meters, malapit na.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Bali yan?
Wow.
Kailangan ako eh.
Yung naibigay kong address sa kanya, yung delivery address.
Plus $20 pa yun.
Plus, kailangan natin bumalik. Mali nga, yung pinuntahan namin ngayon ay yung delivery address. Dapat pala chinek ko ng maigi. Tara, balik tayo.
So magiging 6 orders na lang, hindi na 10. We wasted 10 minutes.
Yeah, we wasted 10 minutes to go to the wrong location.
For now, ako yung mag-navigate muna kasi yung address na binigay ko sa kanya kanina ay mali pala. Yung naibigay kong address ay yung delivery location, hindi yung pick-up location. Ako na lang muna na-navigate dito para mabilis kaming makarating. She was also complaining na we wasted 10 minutes kasi mali daw yung binigay kong address sa kanya. Nagbabargain siya na dapat 8 orders na lang para ma-double yung earnings niya today. As loving brothers, I think I'm gonna give it to her. So 8 orders, double the earnings. No problem. I have decided na sige, 8 deliveries, madadouble na yung earnings for today. Dahil mali yung address na ibigay ko sa kanya. So my sister suggested na kung ano yung food na mapipick up namin sa last order na i-deliver namin ay yun yung kakainin namin mamaya. Tingnan natin kung ano yung last order namin. Actually, this is our pang-8 na order na i-pick up namin. And I think this will be our last pick up kasi now is already 5:27. Siguro pag deliver namin sa order na to ay past 5:45 na. I think this will be the last order. Ano ba yung pagkain dito?
What's the food?
Fresh clams in white wine sauce.
Western.
Kurobuta pork collar.
I love it. Who's gonna pay?
And toasted bread. Napaka-social naman yung last order natin.
May wine ba kasama?
Mhm.
Ano
I think this
pangalan
will be
ng
our
restaurant?
dinner for today. Reese and Paddle.
Never heard.
Guys, we are here at Reese and Paddle. Hello, I'm here for collection. Alright, thank you very much.
Sakto yung challenge ko.
Sakto
Sakto yung sinadjust ko talaga.
Saktong-sakto yung proposal niya kanina na kung ano yung pagkain na ipipick up namin, ay yun yung kakainin namin mamaya. Let's deliver this first, tapos babalik tayo dito.
Iwan mo na lang ako dito.
Sino magna-navigate sa akin? Let's fulfill her proposal kasi ayaw niya nung sumama sa akin sa last order. I hired you as my GPS, human GPS. So, kailangan niya pa rin sumama sa akin kasi siya yung magna-navigate dun sa last order natin. Time check is already 5:37 hanggang 5:45 lang. So, the moment we deliver this order ay lampas na sa session natin. Are we gonna order the same thing or pwedeng mag-order ng
No,
iba?
pwede mag-order ng iba.
Pwede mag-order ng iba? Bakit? Ayaw mo yung white clam, ay yung clams na may white wine?
Gusto ko lang yung white wine.
Ito na yung delivery natin. Parang naligaw si ate. What? Ano na ba nagpunta yun? Never mind, I'm just gonna deliver this tapos hanapin ko siya. Guys, we just delivered our last order and we managed to do or completed 8 orders. So, what do you feel? Napagod ka ba?
I'm so tired.
She's so
Mentally
tired
and physically drained.
And we are heading back to Reese and Paddle. Yung proposal niya kung ano yung last food na na-pick up namin at na-deliver ay yun yung kakainin namin. So let's head back to that place. Let's go. Hello guys, we just reached our destination at nasa Reese and Paddle tayo. Nasa loob na si ate at meron na kaming table. So currently, she's checking the menu. Ito siya. Dito kami magdi-dinner as a reward for ourselves. For both of us na na-complete namin yung session for today. So what are you having? Your order has been successfully sent. Parcels have been served. How many we did today? 8 deliveries. And I just checked, we have earned $46 in total. As I mentioned kanina, dadablehin natin yung earnings niya for the day kasi naka 8 orders tayo. Initially, yung challenge nung una ay kailangan maka-complete siya ng 10 orders. But nagkamali ako ng bigay ng address sa parang very unfair naman yun sa kanya. So, I did it for 8 orders instead of 10 orders. 46, double that earnings is how much? 46 times $92. She have earned $92. She's having a colonies. This is your order. And this is what I order. I ordered tayo ng burger. At kung umabot kayo hanggang dito, thank you very much. Rough Rider po, kain muna kami. Let's go.
12, hindi lang 10.